Did you know a construction worker saved hundreds of lives by refusing $1 million bribe? Mike Rodriguez had worked construction for 15 years, following the same routine every morning. Hard hat on, safety vest secured, checking blueprints before the crew arrived. But on Tuesday morning, something caught his eye in the foundation beams. The steel supports were cracked, welded incorrectly, completely unsafe. One strong wind could bring down the entire 20-story building. His supervisor pulled him aside the next day with an envelope full of cash. $1 million to keep quiet and forget what he saw. Mike thought about his daughter's college fund, his wife's medical bills, but he also thought about the families who would live in that building. He filed the safety report that afternoon, knowing he'd probably lose his job. The building was evacuated just hours before a severe storm hit. Today, Mike is the city's head safety inspector, respected throughout the industry. Sometimes doing right pays better than staying quiet,